The Longhi Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso machine is designed to bring cafe-quality coffee directly into your home with ease, speed, and exceptional consistency. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Built for coffee lovers who want rich espresso, smooth lattes, creamy cappuccinos, and refreshing iced coffee anytime, this machine combines one-touch convenience with barista-level customization. With 3 one-touch recipes, espresso, coffee, and Americano, you can enjoy your favorite drinks within seconds while still having the freedom to adjust intensity and tailor every cup to your liking. Equipped with a built-in Conical Burr grinder featuring 13 grind settings, the Magnifica Start ensures your beans are always freshly ground to the perfect texture for optimal extraction. This means every shot is full-bodied, aromatic, and consistently delicious. Whether you prefer dark roast, medium roast, or specialty blends, the grinder adapts effortlessly, delivering a precise dose every time. The machine's traditional manual milk frother gives you full control over texture, allowing you to craft silky foam for lattes, thick froth for cappuccinos, or smooth microfoam for specialty recipes using both dairy and plant-based milks. This manual frother makes the entire experience feel hands-on and authentic. The 60-ounce removable water tank provides generous capacity for multiple drinks without constant refilling, making it ideal for families, guests, and busy mornings. Its 1,250-watt heating system ensures quick warm-up times, so you never wait long between brews. The machine is thoughtfully engineered with removable, dishwasher-safe parts, making maintenance simple and keeping your coffee fresh and your machine performing at its best. From the drip tray to internal components, each part is designed to be easy to access and clean, extending the machine's lifespan and ensuring reliable performance. The sleek silver finish and compact footprint allow it